Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for always stopping by. Thank you. So today I'll be teaching my girlies that do not even know how to tie just one style of gele, how to tie the simplest gele for church for any occasion. So please continue watching the video to the end. So you take your gele, you fold it into two equal parts, and you make a flat surface that you lay on your head here. Just a flat, make it flat. You can make it firm with your leg or somewhere. Just make it flat and then lay it on your head. You'll be seeing that as I'm doing it in the video. So once you put it on your head, you smoothen it out and ensure that it is very firm. Then you cross it at the back. Just cross it at the back as I'm doing here. Cross it at the back. If you have your hair, ensure that your hair is pulled out, and if not, just cover it up together. Please ensure that this crossing is very firm. So once you're done with that, then you tie it in front. You make a knot, you tie it in front. This is very simple, and under 2 minutes you are done. When you make that knot, then you tie the remaining ends that is left, you tie it again, and the one you tuck it in, like what I'm doing now, you tuck it in, like hiding it inside. Just hide it there. Then the left over part, you use it to cover it, making it look like a bow or so. You cover it, and that's it. As simple as ABC. I don't think this is hard that you not be able to do it. So if you learn it, if you practice it, you'll be able to do it. That Sunday morning that you're going to church, yes, you'll be able to do something. See how neatly it came out. Please try it. Thank you for watching as always. Bye.